waking up tomorrow and your Spotify is playing music you've never heard before. Your Netflix profile name has changed, and Amazon says there was a login from another state. You panic, change your password, and wonder, how did this happen? Here's the scary part. The password hackers used against you may have been stolen years ago. Right now, hackers are using billions of leaked usernames and passwords from old data breaches to break into accounts automatically. And if you reuse passwords, you could be next. Today I'm going to show you exactly how credential stuffing works, why it's still devastating people in 2026, and how to protect yourself before it happens to you. So how do passwords end up in hacker databases in the first place? Usually through massive data breaches. Companies like Yahoo, LinkedIn, Adobe, Dropbox, and many others have all suffered breaches exposing hundreds of millions of accounts. That means usernames, emails, and passwords get dumped online, bought, sold, and traded constantly. Passwords also get stolen through phishing attacks, fake login pages, malware, and info stealer viruses. Sometimes, all it takes is one wrong click, but honestly, the biggest problem usually isn't the breach itself. It's password reuse. Because if you use the same password on multiple websites, one leak can suddenly unlock your entire digital life. And this is where things get crazy. Because hackers usually don't even need to crack your password anymore. This attack is called credential stuffing. Here's how it works. Hackers take millions of stolen username and password combinations from old breaches, then use automated bots to test them against thousands of websites, Netflix, Amazon, Instagram, PayPal, bank accounts, email providers, pretty much anything with a login page. These bots hammer websites non-stop, trying hundreds of logins every second until something works. And because so many people reuse passwords, it works way more often than you think. Hackers aren't guessing anymore. They're replaying passwords people already used years ago. And this isn't just some theoretical cyber attack. The 2012 LinkedIn breach still affects people today. Old leaked passwords continue showing up in credential stuffing attacks years later. Accounts on Instagram, Spotify, Netflix, gaming platforms, and even financial apps get hijacked constantly because people reused passwords from older breaches. A password leak from years ago can still compromise accounts right now. So what should you do first? Go to haveibeenpawned.com and type in your email address. It'll show you which known data breaches your emails appeared in. And honestly, most people are shocked by how many breaches they've actually been a part of. Do it after this video. You might be surprised. Here's something to protect yourself from credential stuffing attacks. First, use a password manager. That way, every account gets a unique password instead of reusing the same one everywhere. Second, enable multi-factor authentication wherever possible. MFA isn't perfect, but it still stops the majority of automated attacks. Third, start using Passkeys when websites support them. They're significantly harder to steal or reuse. Fourth, avoid reusing passwords completely. Seriously, even one reused password can become a chain reaction across multiple accounts. And finally, if an account was involved in a breach, change that password immediately, everywhere you used it. The biggest mistake isn't having a weak password, it's using the same password in multiple places. Your old passwords are probably still floating around the internet right now, and hackers are actively testing them every single day. But now, you know exactly how credential stuffing works and how to protect yourself from it. Have you ever checked whether your email was part of a breach before? Let me know down in the comments. If this video opened your eyes to how these attacks actually work, make sure you subscribe because we break down real breaches, real tactics, and real ways to protect yourself. Stay safe, stay aware, and I'll see you on the next one.